If a Steam game is acting up, crashing, or just taking up too much space, uninstalling and reinstalling it can be one of the fastest fixes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and reinstall games on Steam step by step, and I'll also point out how to keep your save files and custom settings safe during the process. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming and software guides. Let's jump in. First, open Steam and head over to your library. This is where all of your installed and uninstalled games are listed. Find the game you want to remove, then right-click on the game title. From the menu that appears, hover over Manage and then click Uninstall. Steam will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the game from your computer. Go ahead and click Uninstall again to continue. Now, just so you know, this removes the main game files from your system, but in most cases, your save files, preferences, and configuration files will stay intact. Those are often stored in places like your Documents folder or App Data, depending on the game. So if your goal is to clear space or fix a corrupted install, this is usually a safe first step. Once the uninstall is complete, you can reinstall the game right from your library. The game will usually appear grayed out, which simply means it's no longer installed. To bring it back, click the blue install button on the game's main page. Steam will then ask where you want to install it. If you have multiple drives or storage locations, choose the one that works best for you. After that, click Next and Steam will begin downloading the game again. Just wait for the download and installation process to finish, and once it's done, the game will be ready to launch. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to uninstall a Steam game and reinstall it whenever you need to fix issues or free up storage. If this video saved you time, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.